It is Friday, October 6th, and this is my daily trade review. Today was another day where I was slightly green. Churned the account a lot. I turned it over, went back and forth across the zero line today, but in the end, closed it out with a few $100s of profit. So nothing to write home about, but at least I am not red. So let me take you through the trades real briefly and the thought process behind them. There was about 6 or 8 of them, so I'll try to do them really fast. So basically, today was a surprise today because we had news, and it took about an hour and 2 hours after the news, but then the market really took off like a shot to the upside here, starting at around 10:30, 10:22. And I first kind of got involved with the market this morning when there was a push after the 8:30 a.m. employment news. There was a push down, and I had an area here. I had a marked out area here. This was a fib level, a buy zone here, and unfortunately, I got in a little too early on this first one, and I got stopped out. So that was kind of a pity, and it's really a pity because my timing. I mean, I had the right idea, I had the right location for the reversal, but I was just in early and it with too tight of a stop. So, that's just an issue that I have sometimes. I think we're all having issues with timing sometimes. But I think the thing I told myself at the time was, next time, wait for at least a couple green candles. If I would have been looking at it on the 3 minute, it would have been, I think, a little bit more obvious where to get in, because see the Friday here. Here we go. We didn't really have a good 3 minute candle out of this reversal zone until here. So I was kind of getting in over here. So that's too bad. So basically, what happened on this one is I took a full stop on the first one. But then I did see, it wick off the area, and I did get long here. Still probably too early, and I was able to write it up to here for a full R. So I made the R back, so now I'm back to flat. So then the next thing I did is that I took a short. Let's see, where did I take that short? I'm starting to forget the trades that I took. I took the short right here, and I got stopped out. I'm not seeing the stop, but I know I got stopped out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay. So I took a short right here off this 8 because I felt like, the trend was down, and it was reversing off this EMA right here. And I took this short right here, expecting it to come down, and instead it went straight up and stopped me out. So now I'm down 1R again. I'm thinking about quitting, but I thought, you know what? If I'm down 2R, I'll quit, but not 1R. So then I saw this wick off the 20. I'm like, that's the trade I was looking for. So I took that trade, and it came down here all the way about, half. This is what happens all the time. Came about halfway to target, came back up. You can see that little wick right there. Kind of zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Came right back up, and I'm like, okay, it's coming back with my entry. I'm getting out. Got out for about $155 profit. So that was kind of a bummer because then it turned around and kind of went down towards the target. So once again, it's just the same thing. It kind of wicks me back out after I get in at break even, and then it goes to target. So that's what happened there. The next trade I took was a. The next trade I took, I wasn't even going to trade actually, but then I kind of took a walk for about half an hour, came back, and the market was really rallying. And so I'm like, okay, well, it's coming up into a reversal area here. So I waited for, a few green candles, and then I got short, right down in here. And it popped up a little bit, but it didn't stop me out. And then I took profits here at this 8 EMA because I knew that was going to be resistance. I was positive that was going to be resistance, and that's where I took profits, about half an hour. And then I took another trade. I think I'm getting these wrong, but I don't care. It's all right. I took another quick trade right here. Um, it moved down hard, bounced back up to this resistance here, and started to roll over again. So I took it short here for a small scalp, about $130. So in the end, there was probably too many trades, but in the end, I did have a $315 profit for the day. So I kept my win streak alive 6 days in a row, and my balance right now is it's not really that much higher at all. It's just that up here at 12,500. So I got $7,500 left to go for the $7,500 left to go for the phase one. So I'm looking forward to hitting that. I made a lot of mistakes today, and I want to go back over them really quick and make sure that maybe I don't make those kind of mistakes again, hopefully. The number one mistake I made today was on the very first trade, being early. There's no reason, there should be no reason to get into something like this. I know this is the reversal zone right here, this green band. There should be no reason to be buying it up here, There's just no reason. What I really should have done was put it on a 3-minute chart and wait for something really solid to happen, like a nice 3-minute candle like that, because that would have confirmed the reversal, I think. And then stop could go down here, and I could have it would have, I don't know if I would have been able to make it through this choppiness here, but eventually it did go. The other way to look at that is to use the RSI a little bit more and wait for, like, say, a double bottom above the EMA. After you're coming up out of an oversold position with positive divergence, I should say. Oversold, positive divergence, double bottom off the EMA here, and shoot through the 50% line. That's a good place to enter usually. So that's when the market really started to see some buy strength there and started to come up. So anyway, that's just a better way to trade those kinds of reversals, and I need to get better at that. I did take a trade here. I forgot about this one. This was a trade that almost stopped me out. I was early on this one too. Again, got to start using these slower time frames, I think. I don't know. I came within a couple of pips of getting stopped out on this one, and actually it was up here. It was up here. Take that back. I came within a couple of pips of getting stopped out on that one, but I ended up getting half an hour out of it, and I got lucky on that one. So anyway, all in all, it was kind of a wild day. Too many trades, a very small profit, made some dumb mistakes, but in the end, profit's profit, and I'll take it. On 188 lots, I got $315. So not really that great, but hey, it is what it is, and now I can enjoy the weekend. Hope you have a good weekend too, and I'll see you on the next one.